Hi everyone. So welcome to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic that is called PrivateBin, and we will be understanding its core concepts and the use cases and what is that primarily tool used for. So basically nowadays most of the IT organizations and big tech companies use this tool to share information secretly from one end to another so that it's very encrypted and secured in a good manner. So let's get started and have a discussion on PrivateBin. In case if you feel like any questions or things, you can always comment down, and I request you to please like, comments, share your comments, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more further updates. So here we are. I think my screen is visible to you, and so let's get started. So what is PrivateBin? So PrivateBin is like you can share secrets or keep them secret. So this is a guide that will help you to understand the core concepts and everything. So the leaky bucket problem: sending sensitive information via email, Slack, or WhatsApp leaves a permanent digital trail. These buckets are stored on other people's server forever. Even if you delete it, a copy likely remains in a backup or a log somewhere. And this is truly in the case where that's being in the domain of program management, project management. I have been across too many areas where we need to share the API keys secretly from one team to another, or for any integration purpose or any other type of secret information that should not be sent to or come across with any other users. So basically I have seen in my experience like people are sharing the secret keys and API keys over, and client IDs, client secrets over the Google meetings, meeting chats and Google chats, also through Gmail accounts, and directly with furnishing the information. So that is one thing, like it's a bit of unsecured also, and even if you delete that mail trail or something, that leaves like I said that a copy likely remains in the backup or a log. Okay, so that is what the concern is about, and to share those information, such information secretly, we use PrivateBin. That is a widely used tool in organizations, and I'll show you many of the peoples and teams use that to use and share that information. So let's say the digital dead drop. Think of a PrivateBin like a spy's dead drop. You leave a secret message in a specific hidden spot. You tell only one person where it is. Once they pick it up, the spot is empty. Crucial, the spot itself has no idea what the message says about, because it is locked in a box. So what is like a digital dead drop, where nowadays we are having so much hacking, phishing, and other type of spoofing and emails, like things goes on where so much scams are already running, and people are trying to get the secret informations out of somewhere or some organizations. So what is PrivateBin? PrivateBin is like, once you put the information over there, you generate a link, you share that particular link with the user, and once that user open the link, the information he extracts out from the copy paste method over to himself, and then it's kind of burnt. So there is will be no traces, and the server also didn't know that such a communication has happened ever. So zero, the most sites works like valet service. You give them your car and the keys, they park it for you. They could drive it if they wanted. Private bins works like a safe deposit box where you only have the key. You put the message in a box and lock it on your computer. You send the locked box to the server. The server stores the box but cannot open it. Similarly, like I'll be giving the example in the end of my video, because where I have created a personal private secure bin just for demonstration purpose, and I'll not say that you make use of that use case, because I don't think that is secure, but it is like for demonstrating in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript logic, where we I am showing the encryption and decryption methodology. And at the end of the ring, like you will be putting up the message, locking it with your password, and you will be sharing that link to the end user, and that end user will put up the password to open that information. Once they get the information from that box, the that safe box will be automatically deleted, vanished. So key features for privacy: burn after reading is one feature. Second is encryption and expiration timer. Also you can give like in 5 minutes, 1 day, 1 hour, or whatever you want. So burn after reading, set the note to self-destruct immediately after it is opened. Once no trace is left behind. So in PrivateBin we have this features like once I have opened that link and extracted out the information from it, then that link would be directly burnt. Second thing is encryption. It is of AES 256 encryptions inside your browser before it enters, leaves, ever leaves your device. And the expiration timer is another third functionality that is very much good. Like we can expire it from 5 minutes, 1 day, 1 week, or it can vanish instantly as a one-time view feature. So PrivateBin versus traditional Pastebin. What is the difference? So first is feature, standard Pastebin and PrivateBin. So data visibility, server admin can read everything, where in PrivateBin zero knowledge. Only the end user and the person who is sharing the information are known that the information what is shared. Encryption, often none on server side, and in PrivateBin it is encryption is on client side. Data deletion is often permanent, hard to delete, and auto destructs reliably. Account needed, yes. Standard placements were needed account, and PrivateBin doesn't need any account. It is anonymity first. Sorry. So you can use this for passwords, API keys, sensitive configuration files, or any test text you want to share securely without creating a permanent record. Like some form of code you can, some form of syntax you can share, some form of internal devices or files you can share. Even in the links you can paste and share it through that. So best for one-time secret information that needs to be shared from one end to another, like one team to another, or one organization to another organization through a secure methodology. So four simple steps are there, as I told in the initial video. Like you need to write the information, the sensitive text, configure accordingly as per your requirement, and then send the generated link and the description key, decryption key with some separately, and vanish once it is open, it will vanished. So important caveats: while extremely secure, remember the link is the key. Okay, if you share the link in a public chat, anyone in that chat can open it unless you add a password. Browser trust, you must trust the browsers you are typing on. No keyloggers, not for big files. It's designed for text and small code snippets, not large video files. Okay, so basically you can small code snips you can share. I can, as I said, you can share some normal text, some normal details, some normal fields, client secrets or client API keys, etc. And you have the all controls, like any leaving any digital breadcrumbs. You have to use PrivateBin. Secure, it's private, and it's absolutely free. So it there will be no charge. Okay, so these are the image sources from where I have sourced the images for my presentation, and thanks for watching the presentation. Now I will be taking you over to show show the PrivateBin demonstration. So here we are. So PrivateBin, this is the PrivateBin that is already in our context, which is widely used. Like we are like most of the IT companies and organizations are using servers like VPN services to, so that the users have the login informations and login correctly, and to increase the security they are using VPNs, they are using trusted networks and etc. But to even there is a risk in those information where we need to have something like PrivateBin, where our teams, like in the recently I have came across with the team where they ask for a secret information. I you have make use of PrivateBin. They deploy on my servers, and anyone can use privately. So this is like Pastebin. The server has zero knowledge what data is stored, what data is being shared, what is being injected, and what is being. You can go through this privatebin.info. I have mentioned it in the description of this video. You will be just you will be going through it. And for the demonstration purpose, as I said, so this is the demonstration which I was talking about. This is my own GitHub profile where I have created a secure PrivateBin. Okay, I'm just reloading it for your reference. Here it's reloaded. So let's see. So this is here you can see, share the access key. Suppose you want to share the access key to someone, is something like and Okay, this access key is secret to your organization and you need to share, right? So once you want to share, you need to give the title. So access key for X integration. You need to enter the strong password, that is suppose I am adding WSG wisdom, and you have the option of no expiry, 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, custom minutes. I'm switching to custom minutes and will be giving 5 minutes. Okay, you can also select one time view. There is always an option of one time view. One time view will give the option like once our information is copy pasted or seen, it will be automatically vanished. Okay, now I will be create encrypted link, and encrypted link is generated. Remember to send the password separately. Okay, so now this is the link that you need to share with the password which you have created. So you need to tell the password over a meeting or over some chat that this is the password for accessing this link. So I'm opening a new tab and I'm pasting this, and I'm pasting this link, and here it asks for passwords. Okay, I am just inputting the password which I have created, and okay, and this is the information. Okay, this is the information I need to copy. I just copied here, and I need to close this. Once I click on close, this URL vanished. The information will automatically get vanished within 5 to 10 minutes, and I need to recreate another thing. So this was the quick demonstration purpose. You can also test it with your end, and you can just copy paste this link and copy this link, paste it in your use it. This link is also mentioned in the description of the video. You can just copy this and test. This is only for demonstration purpose and fair use and for a good understanding. In case if you want to really have that information of PrivateBin, I would suggest to download this complete package you will get on the GitHub and deploy it in your local server if you want to test it locally, or if you want to start using in your organization, so start up a company, then you need to deploy it in your server and then start making use of this. So this was the complete concept of PrivateBin. In case if you feel like any queries are there, any concerns or any type of comments you want to share, you just leave a comment. I will surely get back to you, get back to your comments. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this information is useful for you, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. I'll be posting such videos and more going forward. Thanks everyone.